You need Jesus. Go back to church.
Gotta turn it off. Jeff!
I ain't hitting Sunday school. Amen. Get present, wanna be slow. Baptized in infinity pool.
Stop trying to make... You're starting to get on my nerves. Jim, this is not allowed. I'm not Kanye West! I'm not Kanye! You're really pushing me to curse! Stop it! Fuck! There's not a fire! That isn't my fault. That is not my fault. You know, you sinners are pushing me to be this way. All I'm trying to do is go to bed. You can't blame that on me. All I want to do is go to bed. Oh no, Bill, you curse! Look at what you're doing! No, don't even think about clipping it.